Electrostatic discharge, the transfer of static electricity between bodies at different electrical potentials, can adversely impact productivity and reliability in an electronics environment. No-Zap static dissipative floor coating formulated with Zoran dissipates the charge across the floor before and after buffing to protect electrical equipment and increasing productivity and reliability. And just like other NCL finishes, you can be assured of a beautiful wet look loss that is wear, scratch, and scuff resistant. No-Zap is ideal for clean rooms, laboratories, telecommunication centers, server rooms, and microchip manufacturing sites.